What if I told you that the biggest difference between rich people and poor people is not how much they earn, but how they think and what they do every single day? Think about it. There are people working 9-to-5 jobs, struggling every month, waiting for their next paycheck just to survive. And at the same time, no panic. There are people quietly building wealth in the background. No stress, no financial pressure. So what's the secret? It's not luck, it's not talent, and it's definitely not about working harder. It's about habits, small daily habits that may not look powerful in the beginning, but over time, they completely transform your financial life. In this video, you're going to discover 8 powerful money habits that can slowly turn an average person into someone who is financially free. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last habit is what separates successful people from everyone else. Let's get started. Habit 1: Pay yourself first expanded. Let's start with one of the most powerful habits. Pay yourself first. Now most people follow the same pattern. They get paid, then they pay bills, buy things, spend on food, shopping, entertainment, and whatever is left, they try to save. But let's be honest, most of the time, nothing is left, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. Rich people do the opposite. The moment they receive money, they take a portion out and save it first, before spending anything, even before paying bills, because they treat saving like a non-negotiable expense. Imagine this. If you had to pay a bill every month, you would never miss it, right? So why don't you treat your future the same way? Start with 10%. Even 5% is fine, but make it automatic, because once you build this habit, everything starts to change. Habit 2: Investing expanded. Saving money is good, but saving alone will never make you rich. Why? Because your money is losing value every single day due to inflation. Rich people understand something very important. Money should not sit idle. It should grow. That's why they invest. They put their money into assets that generate more money. Stocks. Saving money is good, but saving alone will never make you rich. Why? Because your money is losing value every single day due to inflation. Rich people understand something very important. Money should not sit idle. It should grow. That's why they invest. They put their money into assets that generate more money. Stocks is your biggest advantage. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start learning and take small steps. Habit 3: Learning expanded. Here's something that most people ignore. Your income will only grow when your knowledge grows. Poor habits: scrolling endlessly on social media, watching random videos, wasting hours without learning anything useful. Rich people are different. They read books, they listen to podcasts, they learn about money, business, and growth, because they know knowledge creates opportunities, and opportunities create income. Even if you spend just 20 minutes a day learning, in 1 year, you'll be far ahead of most people. And once your mindset changes, your actions change. And once your actions change, your life changes. Habit 4: Bad debt expanded. Let's talk about debt, because this is where most people get trapped. Not all debt is bad, but most people use it in the worst way possible. Buying things they don't need to impress people who don't care. Expensive phones, luxury clothes, unnecessary upgrades, all on borrowed money, and slowly, they build pressure on themselves. Rich people avoid this trap. They don't chase status, they chase freedom. If they use debt, they use it smartly, to invest, to grow, to create more income. Always ask yourself one question: is this making me money or taking money away from me? That one question can save you years of struggle. Habit 5: long-term expanded. We live in a world where everyone wants quick results, fast money, instant success. But real wealth doesn't work like that. Rich people think long-term. They invest and wait. They build and stay patient. They understand compounding. Small, consistent efforts over time turn into massive success. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't see results immediately, but if you stay consistent, it grows into something powerful. Most people quit too early. That's why they never see results. But if you stay patient, you win. Habit 6: multiple income expanded. Depending on one income source is one of the biggest risks. If that income stops, everything stops. Rich people never rely on just one source. They build multiple streams. It could be a side hustle, an online business, investments, freelancing, anything. Because they understand security comes from diversification. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small, build one extra income, then grow from there, step by step. Habit 7: tracking money expanded. Most people don't know where their money goes. They guess, they assume, but they don't track. Rich people are very aware. They track every dollar. They know exactly how much they earn, how much they spend, and where they can improve. Because what gets measured gets improved. Try this. Track your expenses for just 1 week. You'll be surprised how much money is wasted, and once you see it clearly, you can fix it. Habit 8: discipline, very long, plus powerful. This is the most important habit, discipline, because motivation doesn't last. Some days you feel motivated, some days you don't. That's normal. But successful people don't depend on feelings. They depend on discipline. They do the work, even when they don't feel like it. Saving money, learning, improving, taking action, again and again, day after day. Because success is not built in one moment. It's built daily, and discipline is what keeps you going. When others quit, you continue, and that's what makes the difference. At the end of the day, becoming rich is not about doing something big once. It's about doing small things every single day. These habits may look simple, but they are powerful. Start with just one, apply it consistently, and over time, you will see the difference. Your future is not decided by luck. It is decided by your daily habits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, because your journey to financial freedom starts today.